If you have an Android tablet, you can use the physical volume buttons to adjust the volume, but it doesn't technically put the tablet in a true silent mode. It just controls the volume output of things like music and videos played on your tablet. If you tap the three dots in the volume slider that appears when using the volume buttons, you can individually adjust the volume for things like audio and video volume, alerts, ringtones, AI assistant, and notifications. This can be really useful if you want to lower or silence the sounds for one thing and keep the volume up for other functions. To put your tablet in a true silent mode, swipe down from the top right corner to open the quick controls and then tap the volume icon. This switches between sound on and silent mode. On some devices, you'll also have a third option for vibrate only. When your tablet is in silent mode, it will silence media volume and also silence all notifications. Things like alarms will still play normally. Another way to control this is to go to Settings and from the left sidebar scroll down to the sound. On the very top, you can switch between sound on and mute, and if you tap the volume menu, you can adjust volume for different types of sounds individually. And that's how you silence your Android tablet. Click the like button if this helped you and subscribe for more easy guides like this.